Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video guys where we are speaking about Izingane Zesthembu. I don't know whether I should say Tirelo finally sides with Uvuyokazi because I don't think she completely sides with Uvuyokazi. I feel like she agrees with Uvuyokazi on certain points that it's clear for anyone to see that if you don't agree concerning this matter, then there's something wrong with you. So obviously Uvuyokazi comes out and says that Mpumelelo obviously promised her marriage, that he's promised that he's gonna marry her first. He even spoke to her family and promised her family that he was going to marry her first. And Tirelo in her diary session says that she believes Uvuyokazi, but she's not sure because she's not with them when they are together. Now, guys, I know for a lot of people on this episode, many people got to see a different side of Tirelo. Tirelo was really trying to be the middleman in all of this. Even when there was a different fight that was outbreaking there on the side, Usne Nabo Abo Abongwe. It was Tirelo was trying to be the middleman and trying to bring peace and trying to, even when Umpumelelo was like speaking the way he was, it was Tirelo that was really trying to, talk to him and tell him, like, listen, you are grown ups. This is the mother of your child. You guys should reason things out and speak things out. She really was trying to be the middleman, and other people are like, yo, Tirelo is so sweet and blah, 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 blah. One thing about me, you guys, Uvuyokazi and Tirelo, they get paid from the show. And according to my knowledge, I am not getting a cut from any one of them's pay, whether it's Tirelo's pay, whether it's Vuyokazi's pay. I don't get a cut from any of their pays. So I am never gonna be out here on these social medias busy siding with one person as if I am getting paid for that. No. I will purely give my honest opinion. And I've said this time and time again that I never choose sides between Uvuyokazi and Tirelo and Unosipho. I simply report on what I think and believe to be true at that time. Now, if you've been around in this channel for quite a while, you guys, you'd know that I've always spoken about I don't think Tirelo is all that bad as people paint her to be. I feel like because people have painted her as the villain, she plays the villain. I feel like she doesn't mind stirring the pot, but overall, she's not a cruel person, you guys. I feel like both Uvuyokazi and Tirelo, they are individuals, they are different. And listen, they've got their own things. They've got their own particular things, just like all of us do. Yet they still got they've got beauty to them. They've got beautiful sides to them that we can all behold, and that's if you choose to. So I really do think, like, if you guys have ever noticed, Tirelo is she's quite a softie, you guys. She's not as according to what I perceive, she's not as hardcore as people think she is. Obviously, when it comes to Uvuyokazi and Tirelo, guys, we're gonna see some sort of friction because between the two of them, kubangwa indoda, right? But if we would choose to see them as individuals, then that's a totally different thing. So yeah, Tirelo says she believes Uvuyokazi, but she's not sure that, she's not sure whether what Uvuyokazi is saying is true or not, because when people are together, you guys, you really don't know what are the stuff they promise to one another, what are the things, yeah, you really don't know. But not only that, Tirelo has said a number of things, like stuff like, if he could do that, or if he could do this to Uvuyokazi, he's been dating Uvuyokazi for 3 or 4 years. If he could do this to Uvuyokazi, that means Yena no Tirelo, she can find herself in this position at any time. The only difference with Tirelo, you guys, Tirelo uyayithanda indoda. And listen, I love it for her because I've said this about Uvuyorazi, guys. In as much as I've said that we would want Uvuyorazi to come out of this relationship, because if we're being quite honest, it's no longer healthy for both her and Umpumelelo. If Vuyorazi finds herself doing and saying things as she keeps on saying that she has changed, Umpumelelo says that her character has changed, Uviohas is basically saying a person's character changes based on whatever the next person's acts are. If a person gets you to the point where they make you change and be someone you are not, guys, the relationship is no longer healthy for you. So I feel like that relationship is not healthy for both of them. But I have said that I believe that at times, if you know what you love you guys, don't exit a relationship just because, I don't know, exit a relationship when you know you are ready and you are done with this person, not because people are saying A, B, and C, because you don't want to regret tomorrow. And I was saying that to Abo Vuerazi, but people like me are ashamed. We will make up our mind and we will leave a relationship whether we love a person or not. Maybe Vuyorazi is like me and hence she left the relationship. I agree with Usne. Usne was saying she doesn't think Vuyorazi is leaving the relationship because she no longer loves Umpumelelo, but it's the situation she finds herself in. Yeah, that's the difference. Which we realize it just feels like, but I feel like we realize, guys, she has been trying to get answers, and yeah, like Ukaige, it looks like he's not willing to give her answers, or Uvera is not satisfied with that. And I guess if you're not satisfied, then why stay? But yeah, you guys, I really enjoyed Utirelo also being honest about certain things that I mean, anyone who is in a relationship with a person like Umelelo, you need to be honest that this could be you, you know. But Utirelo does say something. She says, you know, this could be me in how many, whatever years' time, but God forbid. And I'm like, the way she said, God forbid, girl does not see herself out of this istembusa corner. When a person says, God forbid, it means like, let it not happen, you know? So she really does have desires of staying with Umpumelelo for a long time. But listen, that was Vuyorazi's desires as well. So you really never know what might happen in these type of situations, especially considering the fact that this guy Wakona keeps on bringing in new women and he's still gonna bring in new women. So you never know the next woman who's gonna come. What type of dynamics is she gonna offer, or what type of changes she's gonna bring, and those changes might benefit you or not. But so yeah, you guys, that is Utirelo. I really hope that people do eventually start warming up to her. I really hope that people do realize that you don't have to choose between Utirelo and Uvuyorazi. You can like Utirelo. You can speak against Izinto that Vuyorazi does. You can speak against Izinto that Tirelo does, but it doesn't mean that altogether you don't like the person. Do you get what I'm saying? But anyway, guys, tell me, what did you think about this? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.